In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Instagram with Hootsuite. Before we start, make sure you are logged into your Hootsuite account and that you have access to the Instagram account you want to connect. Take a moment to look at your screen because we are going to move through a few menus that control social connections. If you have never connected Instagram before, this is a great place to begin, since it sets up where your posts, messages, and engagement activity can be managed. First, click Settings. You can usually find settings in the main navigation area of Hootsuite, often toward the top or in a side panel. Clicking Settings is important because it is the hub where Hootsuite manages your connected services and account options. Once you click it, wait for the Settings menu to load so you can see the options for social accounts. Next, click Social Accounts and Teams. This section is where Hootsuite organizes connections that involve social platforms and the teams that can access them. By choosing this area, you are narrowing your focus to the exact place where you add or manage social profiles. After you click it, you should see another menu or set of options related to social profiles. Then, click Social Accounts. This step takes you directly to the list and management area for the social accounts you have already connected, if any. If you already have Instagram connected, it might show in this area. If not, you will be able to add it here. It is a good moment to confirm you are on the correct page before moving forward, because the next action depends on being in the Social Accounts section. Now, click Add a Social Account. This is the button that starts the connection flow. Clicking it will typically open a selection panel or a setup screen where you choose which social platform you want to connect. This is the step where Hootsuite prepares to link your dashboard with Instagram, so keep your attention on what appears next on the screen. After that, select Instagram. When you choose Instagram, Hootsuite will prompt you with the connection process for that specific platform. Selecting the correct platform matters because the authorization steps can differ depending on the social network. Once Instagram is selected, Hootsuite will guide you through the remaining prompts to connect your Instagram account. Finally, follow the prompts to connect your Instagram account. During this part, you will be taken through authorization screens that confirm you want to grant Hootsuite access to manage or view your Instagram presence. Read each prompt carefully as it appears, since it may include information about what access is being requested. If you are asked to sign into Instagram, enter the information associated with the Instagram account you are connecting, and then confirm the permissions when prompted. After you approve the connection, return to the Hootsuite screen and wait for the setup to complete. Once the connection finishes, you should see Instagram added to your list of social accounts. At that point, Hootsuite is ready for you to begin using Instagram within your workspace. You can also check that the account is connected successfully by looking for any status indicator or confirmation message on the page. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.